Is there a doctor in the house, please? A doctor in the house, please. Doctor.
Our current healthcare system is, well, how would you put this? It's in the danger zone. Hi, this is Jon Benjamin, and I'm here to talk healthcare.
We're in the richest country in the world, and my man can't get his legs sewn up?
Today, more than 30 million Americans still don't have health insurance, and even more are underinsured.
No insurance.
Even for those with insurance, costs are so high that medical debt is the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States.
Tennesseans are being forced into bankruptcy.
Credit completely destroyed.
$7.8 million worth of medical bills.
We spend significantly more on our national GDP on healthcare, far more per person than any other major country.
We should be having by far the best healthcare system in the world because we're spending so much money.
And despite spending more, Americans actually have many worse health outcomes and a higher infant mortality rate than countries that spend less.
If I bought a car for $50,000 and you bought a car for $25,000, I have every reason to believe that my car is going to be a lot better car than your car.
We have a responsibility as Americans to ensure everyone has actual health care.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. I thought this was a free country. I didn't know we were in communist Sweden.
If we were living in Sweden, we'd have universal health care.
We need to be spending our dollars on doctors, nurses, mental health specialists, dentists, and other professionals. We must invest in the development of new drugs and technologies that not waste hundreds of billions of dollars a year on profiteering, huge executive compensation packages, and outrageous administrative costs.
Don't take this personal, Doc. Y'all a bunch of goddamn crooks.
Sheesh. The giant pharmaceutical and health insurance lobbies have spent billions of dollars over the past decades to protect their greed and ensure that their profits come before the health of the American people.
I'll strip you of everything you hold dear, or I drag you down to a sordid death.
When we all stand together, we're going to be able to take on the insurance companies and the drug companies and Wall Street and everybody else, and to do what we should have done decades ago.
Joining every major country on earth in guaranteeing health care to all people as a right, not a privilege, through a Medicare for all single-payer program.
You will no longer be writing checks to private insurance companies.
Making healthcare free at the point of service. No premiums, no copays, no deductibles, no surprise bills. And no having to be an accountant to figure out how to submit your bills for reimbursement. Also, make sure the most any patient has to pay out of pocket for prescription drugs is $200 per year. And to do all this, we need to elect the only candidate who's been fighting for a just healthcare system since before many of us were even born. I'm talking about, of course, Senator Bernie Sanders.